rain a little bit in the morning, but bright and sunny day in the Dehiwala beach in Sri Lanka. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a young teenage singing sensation in Sri Lanka, Yohani Diloka de Silva. Her song Manike Mage Hite has now reached 120 million YouTube hits, and it's going fast. And she's been invited by various people for big stages now. But originally, this song sung and owned by Satishan Ratnayaka, very talented, creative writer singer, produced by Chamat Sangeet. This song originally a song sung by a male to a female. Manike means my beloved lady or rosebud. That's a Sri Lankan way of addressing particularly the female beloveds. And originally sung by singer-rapper Satishan Ratnayaka, produced by Chamat Sangeet in the year 2020. But with the video clip, it did not really take off the way they expected. Then Chamat bought Yohani Diloka de Silva, another young Sri Lankan rapper and singer. And they released the song in May 2021. Immediately it began to really hit the board. 1 million to 5 million to 10 million, and in no time reaching 100 million and now going beyond. But the face of the song now is Yohani Diloka de Silva. She gets the full credit for the whole thing. It doesn't matter. And I think the spade work done by Satishan Ratnayaka and the Chamat Sangeet producing this, identifying Yohani de Silva, getting her to sing, and believing if this catch, and they would have a lesser role and she would have a bigger role, and that's indeed. Now the face of this song is Yohani Diloka de Silva. Not many people knows much about Satishan Ratnayaka or Chamat Sangeet. Ladies and gentlemen, these two extremely young talented, Satishan as well as Chamat, took the bold step in releasing their innovation, their creativity to somebody to take the ball and run. And in fact, the singer ran away with their song. But it's not stealing or robbing, but it's a partnership. It's a collaboration. And all three young people have an excellent union and collaboration, not only producing, but also releasing, even maintaining today that wonderful synchronization and harmonization among them and the music and the song. Ladies and gentlemen, in life sometimes you have to release and give it somebody else to take the baton and complete the race. Sometimes we don't do. In Sri Lanka there are nearly 10,000 patents. None of them have become entrepreneurs or sensations. Because people think, what happens if somebody takes my idea and robs and steals and go away? I'm in the area of entrepreneurship and building social entrepreneurs in Sri Lanka. Many of the entrepreneurs comes and tells me, what happens if this somebody investor take my idea, my innovation and run away? There is no innovation that can stand eternity. We cannot patent the rainbow. We cannot patent the oxygen. We cannot patent the air that we breathe. We cannot patent the waves of the sea. We cannot patent the wind. But ladies and gentlemen, what I have released is, if you have an idea, if you have innovation, if you are willing to collaborate and let somebody take the ball and run, or let somebody take the baton and run, I can tell you that you will be enriched and they will be enriched. And that's exactly Satishan as well as Chamat Sangeet, Satishan Ratnak has done. They have given the baton to Yohani Diloka De Silva, and she has run the song to the world and create a sensation for her, and for not only for her, so Satishan, Chamat, as well as the whole of the Sri Lankans to be proud of. Ladies and gentlemen, you cannot hold the innovation in your hands and kill it. Release it, and it becomes a sensation to many others, and you can enrich yourself and many others. Sometimes I realize, if you are willing to recognize whoever gets the credit, it doesn't matter. Sometimes we hold on to things, we are worried who gets the credit. Ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't matter who gets the credit. If the innovation can be given feet and it can run, release it. It is up to you to enrich the whole world.